fresher. Okay. Hi there and welcome to watch my very first unboxing video. And what is special about this box right here is there's supposed to be my wedding dress! Whee! So I ordered this dress a year ago and it's finally here. So it took a year to come to Finland in this Angelic Pretty room of mine, and I'm finally opening it, so let's do it. So I have my opening tool here, and I hope I'm not gonna damage the dress. It should be pink, very pink, and here we go. This is the head bow of my for my wedding dress cord, and this is my wedding dress. Ta-da! So this is Angelic Pretty's Sugar Wing JSK as pink, and it looks awesome. Wow! There's like, it's really heavy, and there is like petticoat in it. So now it's all upside down. Wow! I think it really was worth waiting. So there's all the bowie bits on the back. Like there's a shearing here, but like little bows. I can adjust the size, and that's on the back. Can't be any prettier. So hopefully, actually next month, I should be walking to the altar and wearing this, like this. And here is the accessory, the head bow thingy. So that's like that. Very pretty!
I have no idea how much of this is going to be in focus and if that camera's auto-focusing.
So I'm gonna attach with this, of course, a whale or maybe a crown or something, and pink shoes, a really big petticoat, and a nice blouse, and hopefully I will look fantastic at my own wedding. And that's, by the way, going to happen in Las Vegas, so I hope it's not gonna be Elvis who's making me wifey, but I don't really care. I don't know, but yeah, next year, well, next month, Las Vegas, marriage, exciting things happening. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okie doke. Okie doke. So next time when I'm wearing this, well, at least I should try it on before going, but I assume it will fit because I guess it's about the same size as this one, but yeah, I'll be wearing it next month at my own wedding. Ah.
Okay. Finished?
Yeah.